Evening, guys. This is how you can actually fund your wallet, take trades, set break even, and set your SL and leverage to use. Now, first of all, you have to go and open your Bybit app. Okay, when you open your Bybit app, next thing you have to click on is this P2P trading. In P2P trading, this is where you buy all cryptocurrencies, fund your wallet, and everything. So you click on P2P here. You click on this P2P trading. When you click on it, then it will load and take you to a section where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. Now, the least you can fund on Bybit is 4,500 or 5,000, I think so. So when you come to this buy section, you fund as many dollar as you want. To make things easy, click on this amount at the top screen that you want to fund. Let's say I want to fund 5,000 naira. This will help me bring out vendors who are selling BTC or selling USDT for 5,000 naira. I can just click on 5,000 naira. Click on confirm, and now Bybit will bring out vendors that sells at least this one sells at least 4,500 naira worth of USDT, and they will give you for the rate of 1,600 and 900. I might decide to buy from that vendor and say I want to buy 4,500 naira worth of USDT, and I'll be getting $2.79. So this is how to buy BTC, buy and fund your USDT wallet. You can actually click on the sell button. That if you have USDT, maybe after making profits, you want to convert your USDT to Naira. You click on this place, click on this amount for easier and fast transactions. Click on maybe you want to sell $20 worth of, like 5,000 Naira worth of BTC or USDT. You click on 5,000 Naira, click on confirm, and here you go. You see, so they will do bank transfer for you. Then you just click on the amount. Let me say I'm selling 15,000 naira worth of USDT. I'm saying that's what they'll just give me 32,000 naira. So this is how you sell your USDT. When you click on the sell, follow the procedures, you will get your USDT to your Naira, to your bank account, your Naira bank account, or you make transfer to buy. Now this is how we take trades for this place. Now let's say I told you guys to short or buy Mubarak USDT. Now I might give you an entry that, okay, enter with current market price. What you have to do is, this thing is always set on limit. If I should ask you guys to enter with market price, it simply means you go into this place below this limit, below this limit, below this limit here, and click it, and it will automatically change to market price. Click on it, click on market. Then if I tell you use 20% of your balance, you use this arrow here. This arrow you are seeing is moving. It lets you know your balance. I might say let's use 20% or 10% of our balance. You can see. I might tell you guys use 15x leverage. Click on customize. Click on 15x. Or let's say I'm telling you guys to use 18x leverage, which I hardly do. I mostly advise 10 and x and 15x leverage, and I will tell you guys risk just 20% of your balance, just 20%, and you can see. Then we'll click on short, or I might say okay, let's use 20x leverage. 20x leverage. Maybe we want to move faster money in the market, and just risk 25% of our balance. Then we click on short. That short is simply means if it's a sell order or a buy order. Then if it's a a if it's a if it's a buy order or a sell order, then we click on TP or SL. This is TP/SL. You click on it. I tell you that take profit at 0.05020, then take your SL at 0.051. This is our SL. Let's say 5120. This is our XL. Now I'll click on it, then I'll click on short. What happened there? I don't know what really happened there. Then you click on short just like that, and you do whatever you want to do. And that's how you do. But if it's a limit order, and I tell you guys use limit order, set your entry at 0.05074. Risk 20% of your balance or 25% of your balance. Take TP at 0.0530. Take SL at 0.052. That's just like that, and you click on short. This is an example. This is not an analysis, and this is just an example. And so this is just an example, and I will just click on short, and immediately this market triggers. If you look at it, another, it has not triggered to a position. Now, if we are in profit, which is in green PN, and we want to break even, what you break even simply means moving your entry to your stop loss. Now we'll be using our entry price as our stop loss. This is 0.5085 as our entry. What does that tell you? If the market goes against us, we will not lose any money. That means if you are breaking even, you will not lose any money. So that is one of the reasons of breaking even. You will not lose any money if the market goes against you. So now let me just close this trade. It's just for a practical purpose. It's not for usage. It's just for practical purposes. So that's just it. So now that's how to place fund your wallet, place trade, set your TP on SA, and break even. Hope I made myself clear, guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.